Alright, so here's the new RAM chip which I just got, the Crucial DDR5 16GB 5600 sodium RAM. So I'm going to be upgrading the RAM of my current laptop, the Lenovo LOQ. It currently has 16GB of RAM, but it also has additional RAM slot. So I'm going to add in another 16GB to make it total of 32GB RAM. Let's get started. So there are about 10 screws on the back panel of the laptop. So let's start off by removing the screws. Alright, so all 10 screws have been removed and kept near to their corresponding attachment places. So let's open up the back panel. Alright, so the back panel of the laptop is removed. Let's keep it to one side. So here's the interior of the laptop, and if you have seen my previous video, you can see that I've already installed, or should I say added, an extra additional SSD of 2 terabytes, the WD-SN770. It's right here, and this is the stock SSD provided by Lenovo. But today we are not going to be tampering around with the SSD. We are going to add in some additional RAM. But before we do that, we are going to disconnect the battery from the motherboard so that we don't have any electrical issues later on. So in order to disconnect the battery, you need to make sure that you hold the adapter from two different opposite sides and you never hold the wires themselves directly. So let's start off by disconnecting the battery first. So gently pull from two opposite sides of the adapter. So don't hold the wires themselves. There it is. So the battery is now disconnected from the motherboard. Let's start off by removing the cover which encloses the RAM of this laptop. So there is a small sticker right here, so you will need to peel this off gently. And once you pull out this enclosure, you get to see the empty RAM slot. It's also a good thing that Lenovo has provided cooling pads right here even before we need to add anything. It's a good thing that Lenovo has pasted a cooling block right here. So let's keep the RAM enclosure on one side, and here is our Crucial 16GB RAM. Let's open that up. Alright, so here is the 16GB RAM chip. So try and hold the RAM chip from the opposite sides. Don't try to hold it from the connecting end. Try and hold it from the opposite sides. So now all we need to do is just plug in the RAM into its place. Alright, the RAM chip is now plugged in. You need to make sure that the connector part is not visible and it's completely inserted into the slot. You also need to fold down this aluminum small panels here so that it holds the RAM chip in its place firmly well. So let's close the panel back again. It's as easy as we removed it previously. You just need to put the enclosing cover in its place and put the sticker back in its place. And that's about it. The RAM is now inserted into the laptop motherboard. Now it's time to plug the battery back onto the motherboard. So in the same way you disconnected the battery, you need to plug it back in by holding the two opposite ends of the adapter and not by holding the wires themselves. So let's plug the battery back. There you go. The battery is now plugged in. Time to close the back panel. Let's put the screws back in their place. Make sure you don't tighten the screws too much. Just tighten them enough to hold the panel. So the crucial 16 GB RAM has been inserted into the laptop. Time to start up the laptop and see the effect. So I've started up my laptop and heading into the settings panel, and within the settings heading into the system options. Now if you open up the about section, as you're seeing on the screen right now, the installed RAM is now currently indicating as 32 GB with 31.7 GB usable. So do note that when you start up the system for the first time after installing the RAM, it is going to take some time, a few more extra seconds or a minute or two. So don't panic, just wait for the system to start up because it's still recognizing the new RAM included in the motherboard. And once it starts up, you will get to note, or you will get to see that the RAM has been upgraded, and you'll get to use your installed upgraded RAM within your system. So this was a quick installation tutorial of how you can install an additional RAM within your laptop. I hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.